Korean students as well as the honorable South Korean peoples. I say again, welcome to our beautiful country, Ethiopia. Our country is a nation blessed with everything and full of many heroes. The other thing that sets Ethiopia apart is a country that grows everything and the present human beings for the first time. Not only this, but also Ethiopia has several culture. For example, the race culture, the culture of play traditional, and the culture is a culture of folklore and the like. Our country, not only this, our country that also contains many stories that cannot be counted in many papers. I will pass on to the next to use